Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like. Bringing in good quality bikes at a good price so that we can kind of have bikes for everybody.
You have bikes for everyone.
We do.
It's amazing.
We do. We've got 4 different well, 5 now.
Okay.
Over the electric bikes.
Okay.
So yeah.
What's your best selling?
It changes. Bicycles have
these
completely
ones?
taken over.
Yeah.
The full-size motorcycles, that was kind of my bread and butter for 2000 to 2020, like the last 2 years. But in 2023, bicycles, because they change people's lives.
Yeah. My husband picked one up. I don't know what he got.
And does he ride it all the time?
He just got it like a couple weeks ago,
Yeah.
and he's really enjoying it.
It makes it, it just makes it fun again.
Yeah.
Right? You can kind of choose your exercise. So, yes, it's growing a lot.
So what do you have?
All of those. I ride whatever.
Oh, you just take.
I just take whatever. So that's actually my lineup of all the demos, because when people come here, they can try all the different models. They have to go a little bit on 48, and then they can go in residential. Like, these are also life changers because I'm selling them to, 20-year-olds, 80-year-olds, people that have vehicles but don't want to take their vehicle, 2 kilometers down the road. Or what makes a difference is that it's
How much is this?
9,011. But they can store stuff. They can go and pick up like a case of water, which
You can
can't
plug in
do.
your phone.
Yep. It's got a heater. Backup camera.
I can't believe this. That when they were putting together the Aurora proposal, they're this thing up.
Amy, yes.
So I wanted to congratulate you and celebrate you and
Thank
your small
you.
business and all you do for our community. Not just our, I'm going to say communities.
Yes. I'm
your
everywhere.
Your reach is so broad. So
It is.
congratulations.
Thank
Vince, and
you.
a Nice little.
I love that. Thank
Okay,
you.
let's get, because the storefront's so pretty. Are we?
I'm getting the whole
Oh, you got the whole thing?
Yeah.